In this video we're diving into how to properly wash microfiber towels, a crucial component in cleaning and detailing due to their superior ability to attract and trap dirt, dust, and liquids. Proper care is essential to maintain their effectiveness over time. Let's go through the steps on how to wash microfiber towels. Microfiber towels are crafted from extremely fine fibers, typically a blend of polyester and polyamide, which are designed to capture dirt and moisture effectively. If not washed properly, these towels can lose their absorbency and cleaning power, making proper maintenance critical. Begin by washing your microfiber towels separately from other types of laundry. This prevents the microfiber from picking up lint from other fabrics, such as cotton. Additionally, sort the towels based on their specific uses. Detailing towels should be washed separately from those used for general cleaning to avoid cross-contamination. Before placing the towels in the washing machine, give each one a good shake to remove any loose dirt or debris. This pre-wash step helps to prevent the redistribution of dirt during the wash cycle, which can embed debris into the fabric's fibers. Select a detergent that is free from fragrances, dyes, and fabric softeners. These additives can clog the microfibers, diminishing their ability to effectively trap dirt and moisture. Opt for a small amount of clear liquid detergent. Microfiber does not require a lot of soap to get clean, and too much can leave residue. Configure your washing machine to wash the towels in warm water, using a gentle or delicate cycle with a low spin setting. Avoid hot water as it can potentially melt the fibers, and a high spin cycle can damage the microfiber structure. Dry the towels on a low heat or no heat setting in your dryer to prevent the fibers from melting, which impacts their effectiveness. High heat is particularly detrimental. Air drying is an excellent alternative if you want to avoid all risk of heat damage. If using a dryer, remember to skip the dryer sheets because they can coat the fibers, reducing their ability to absorb liquids. Once the towels are clean and completely dry, store them in a clean, dry place. Avoid places with potential for lint transfer, such as wooden shelves or cardboard boxes, which can compromise their cleanliness and functionality. Maintaining your microfiber towels with these simple yet effective washing steps ensures that they remain highly functional for your cleaning needs. Proper care extends their life and preserves their qualities, allowing you to achieve optimal cleaning results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.